So today we're going to talk some about SQL. SQL, or the Structured Query Language, is an important part of most data science jobs. We're going to go through it at a very basic level, and you'll do some of this in the homework. So we're going to create a connection, and then we're going to create a table customers with these fields, with these types. Primary key in a database is the key to the database that you use to reference. We create table orders. So we create customer table with customer name, customer ID, and age, and then order ID with the primary key, and then customer ID. So if you'll notice, there can only be one primary key. So in customer ID, that primary key is customer, and that primary key is customer ID, and in order, that primary key is order ID. So you can have one customer in customer ID, and then you can have multiple orders per customer in order ID. So we start off with these customers, and then we insert into values the customers. We start with these orders, we insert into orders these orders. So we have this diff of customers that we can read using pd.read _SQL query. We select everything from customers. That's what this joker character means. So select statement star, which is everything from table customers. And then query, we select these different fields from customers, and then we join with the field orders on customer ID equals order ID, and then we get this. Notice now we can have Alice twice because we're performing a join where we're getting everything in customer ID plus everything in order ID. Because remember, in order ID, we don't have the name of the customers. So now we're adding the names to the database. We could also do c.age, and so now that would appear right there. We could have age alongside order ID, order date, and amount. So yeah, and then we can also run a select query where we take aggregates, so we can get count of order ID, and we can get sum of amount as total amount spent. And we can left join, meaning we take everything that's in orders, but not everything in customer ID. So, and then we group by customer name, having spent at least $100, and then descending. So basically, we're summing up the amount spent. So 250 plus 450 for Alice is 700, and then for Charlie, 200, and we were dropping Bob because he spent less than 100. And then we can action.close. And so that's a basic intro to SQL. You may ask to do a little bit more in the homework. Part of this course is about getting you to think for yourself, getting you to train yourself, getting you to learn how to think about using these tools on your own. So I'll leave it there, and I hope you have a great day.